Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I've got two wildly creative crossfold designs that will change the way you think about what can be done with die cutting. So let's take a closer look. First up is a super cool event invitation that I picked up on my recent trip to Hederman Brothers in Mississippi. This psychedelic design was created with a bold pattern, bright colors, and a unique die-cut shape for each panel. When combined, the panels form a circle that frames the logo that you see in the center of the cover, and that logo is printed on a circular insert. This was also designed so that the panels can fold back down in any order, which is a really smart little detail. Now let's change the vibe completely with an equally exciting design. I'm bringing this beautiful crossfold back from episode 253. It's always been a favorite of mine with its soft colors, shimmery paper, and elegant winged panel shape. This was designed for a charity event called the Angels Gala, and it just works so well. I love that they kept the crossfold carrier clean so that it became more like a wrap and put most of the typography on the folded insert. Aren't these great? What a contrast between the designs, and yet they're equally creative and impactful. There's really not much more to say except wow. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.